Hi guys, it's a beautiful day to show you this new listing we've got coming up on Tootal Drive. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got beautifully presented gardens to the front and benefits from a drive as well. I'll take you straight on round through to the side and rear gardens. So they've been immaculately maintained. Benefits from mature plants, laid lawn grass and a paved seating area as well. It's nice and private. The rear also benefits from a pond, as you can see. Start at the rear. As you head on through, go into the rear entrance hallway, which provides access to a downstairs toilet, and then we flow on through to the modern fitted kitchen diner. This is a good sized space. To the main hallway on your right opens on up to the family lounge, and then as we head upstairs, on your first left get the 3-piece family bathroom, and then on your next left we have the first of the 3 bedrooms. This is the smallest, you'd be surprised to hear. Good size. Got the main bedroom just through here, which is a large double. And then we've got the second bedroom just through here as well, which is another good sized double bedroom. The property benefits from being within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital, Hill Park and local schooling. Also within walking distance of Weaste Tram stop, which provides direct access into Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.